Okay, good morning. It is now Thursday. I am back home in Masterton, and first job today is to clean my bike because we rode quite a few off-road, or is it like limestone tracks up in Hawke's Bay, and the bike's pretty filthy after that, so I'm gonna use this muck off stuff for the first time. So I've been up in Hawke's Bay, so I was up there for about a week, and then we came back down and I sat my driver's test for 1 day, so we were down here for about 12 hours, then we drove back up to Hawke's Bay for 4 days, came home 2 days ago, and then I'm thinking of heading back up there this weekend because there is the Elite Nationals road race and time trial, but I'll probably just go up for the road race, which is on Sunday, so I can film that. Yeah. Okay, the next job today is to take my track bike into the bike store because it has 2 broken spokes, so I need to get those fixed. Where are they? So there's one, and there's the other one. While I'm at it, I gotta fill this up as well. Okay, so probably should have checked that before I even got the bike out, but they're moving stores, so I'm gonna have to take it to the other bike store in town. Okay, so attempt number 2, and this time we're at Avanti because they seem to be open. Okay, so that was all good, that's getting fixed. Now we gotta fill up the old jerry can, get coffee, go home, ride bike, that's it. What good service, I don't even have to do it myself. This guy's doing it for me. And now we order coffee. Coffee card. Awesome. Thank you. Coffee has been acquired. Now we're gonna go home and go for a bike ride. And I'm home. Okay, so I'm now going out for my 2-hour ride. I think it is now 2 o'clock. I've left it pretty late, but we had to get out of the house because we're trying to sell it and someone wanted to have a look. But I'm finally out now and I'm going for a ride. Okay, I've done my 20-minute warm-up and now I'm gonna go and start my efforts. So I'm probably not gonna film the rest of this, so I'll see you in 2 hours. Okay, so I'm back and it is so windy out there and I just hated every minute of that ride. But I'm home now and now I'm gonna go and roll my legs out because my legs felt absolutely terrible the entire time, and have a protein shake, so I'll do that now. Okay, so I have this SIS protein shake because I usually use that one there, but I'm not really into it. I don't like it that much, so I'm going to give this a go. So my first time trying the SIS protein shake. Yeah, it's better than the other stuff I have, but I still, whatever I had before, or like a month ago, in the silver packet was definitely the best. So I need to try and get some more of that, but this is okay. Okay, so I just drove all the way into town because the website for this embroidery place told me that they close at 5, but on the door it says 4:30, so they're closed. So me and Lucky just had a completely wasted time. Lucky! Hello, Lucky! Yeah, because I'm trying to, so I've got my new logo, which is here, and I want to get a white cap and put the logo on it like this, and yeah, I reckon that'll look pretty cool. But yeah, that was a waste of time, so no, I don't know what to do. Probably gotta get some food. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a big paw up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you tomorrow.